Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'll take you to Microsoft where we can take data science for beginners course for free. So this link will be shared in the description section. Okay. So when you click on the link, it will take you to this Microsoft.github website where you see the data science for beginners. So you can read the description at the top. Okay, so are you a student? So you can read how to get started. You can also play the video. Okay. Each lesson include, so each lesson you have all the packages here. Okay, so you have the optional sketch notes, you have the optional supplemental videos, you have a lot, you have the quiz too. Okay, so we have 20 lessons with different topics which you'll be learning from this site. Okay, so the first one is defining data science, which you see the lesson objectives, and the second lesson is the data science ethics, which you see the data science ethics concepts and also the challenging frameworks. Okay, so let's click on this one. So let's say we want to take the first lesson. So here you can see the linked lesson. So this is the lesson and also the video. So when you click on the topic, now you see its subtopic. We have the defining data science ethics, defining data, introduction to statistics and probability. So let's click on defining data science. You have the video here, so you can play the video also as well. Okay, so it will take you straight to YouTube and you see the introduction to data science. Okay, so we have the pre-lecture quiz here. You can take the quiz before you start the topic or the lesson. Okay, so you go through what is data science, and I've gone through the site and I really recommend it because sometimes when you start the data science, you really don't know the roadmap. You might learn certain things later on. You notice, oh, you shouldn't have learned those things. So this site will take you through the roadmap for data science as a beginner. Okay, so we have the data preparation. So we have the working with data, which when you click on it, it also gives you the subtopics. You have the rational database, non-rational database, working with Python. And let's say you want to use working with Python. When you click on it, it will give you the video to watch and also the pre-lecture quiz. And you see the lessons here which you can take, and also the Python codes. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. If you want to suggest anything, you can put them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.